Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using GoCo Communications. Here's a look at GoCo, formerly Radiant Communications, an internet provider offering business-grade internet and managed network solutions. If you're considering their services, I've provided helpful links in the description below for more information. In this review, we'll explore GoCo's core features, identify the businesses they best serve, and explain what makes them a competitive choice in the internet provider market. GoCo Communications, originally known as Radiant Communications, specializes in providing robust internet and managed network services designed for organizations of all sizes. Their comprehensive offerings encompass high-speed internet access, SD-WAN solutions, managed Wi-Fi, voice services, and cloud-based solutions, all designed to empower businesses to stay connected and operate efficiently. A significant advantage of GoCo is its extensive coverage across Canada. This makes it a particularly attractive option for businesses operating in multiple locations needing seamless connectivity and consistent performance. A key feature that sets GoCo apart is its SD-WAN technology. This technology dynamically optimizes network performance by intelligently routing traffic, resulting in faster and more dependable connections. This is especially valuable for businesses that rely on real-time applications like video conferencing, VoIP, or cloud-based software. GoCo's dedicated internet services guarantee high-speed, low-latency connections, essential for companies dependent on uninterrupted online operations. Moreover, GoCo excels in its managed services, offering proactive network monitoring, 24/7 technical support, and customized network solutions. Their dedicated team collaborates closely with businesses to tailor services to their unique requirements, allowing companies to concentrate on growth without the burden of network management and maintenance. Furthermore, their integrated voice and data solutions streamline communications, offering cost-effective options for unified communication needs. GoCo is an ideal choice for small to medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, and larger organizations requiring dependable connectivity and scalable solutions. Whether you're managing a retail chain, a professional services firm, or a large enterprise with complex network demands, GoCo solutions are engineered to handle the rigors of today's business environment. In conclusion, GoCo Communications offers a powerful combination of cutting-edge technology, exceptional customer support, and scalable solutions tailored to businesses in search of a reliable internet provider. If you're evaluating internet solutions that prioritize high performance, flexibility, and responsive customer support, GoCo is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this review informative.